Hello friends, welcome to the Gateway Solutions. How are you? Hope all you are fine. Today I am going to start a course Linux for Beginner 2021. I am giving you a series of videos lecture in this course. Before starting a class, I am requesting you please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for notification. Let's start. Hello, I am Amrinder Singh. I am here today. I am going to start a course Linux for Beginner. I am giving you a series of videos lecture in this course. Friends, you can also find other videos on Windows 10, Ubuntu Linux, Kali Linux for ethical hacking, computer hardware and network, how to configure Windows Server, how to configure Linux server at my YouTube channel Gateway Solutions. Welcome to the Linux Fundamental course Linux for Beginner 2021. Introduction. Linux is an operating system just like Windows, iOS, macOS and Android, Novel Network, Windows Server, etc. Next, what is operating system? Friends, operating system is a software that manages all the hardware resources associated with your laptop or computer. Besides this, OS manages communication between your hardware and software. Without OS, softwares you have would not function. Besides this, friends, when you are giving a command to your computer, the OS translates it into machine language because computer hardware, our processor, all hardware devices understand the machine language and we users understand the language like as English, Hindi, Punjabi, etc. So OS also do a task to translate our commands into machine language and retranslate output or a result generated by our computer to us in a general English or language whichever you use. The main benefit the Linux is zero cost of entry as in free. You can install Linux without paying for softwares or server licensing. As you know, Microsoft Windows any version 8, 10, 7 all are a paid operating system, but our Linux is a free. You can download it and install. You are not paying a single penny for this. Open source softwares. Our Linux is open source softwares. Now, what is open source software? Open source software is code that is designed to publicly accessible. Anyone can see, modify and distributing the code. We can say open source will follow these key talents: freedom to run the program for any purpose. Mean to say you can use the program for any purpose. Second, you can study how the program works and make changes if you wish. Means you can modify any application without any problem or violation of license because these are open source software. Next benefit, freedom to redistribute. When we are getting a open source software and that is very useful and our friends, our neighbors also want that type of software and they are searching for it. If you found, you can redistribute copy of that software without any problem. Next benefit is freedom to distribute copy of your modified version of software. We can distribute downloaded original software, and we can also redistribute the modified software that is modified by us to our friends for users. There is no problem because these open source softwares are not bound to these type of restrictions. So friends, this is my video on introduction to the Linux, and we are trying to explain you that Linux is a operating system that like as a Windows, iOS, macOS, and we are also trying to explain what is OS. OS is a software that manages hardware resources associated with your laptop or desktop. Third point we are discussing in this video discussed in this video, zero cost of entry. It is free to use, free to install, so we have not pay any single rupee. Open source software, Linux is a, as you know, Linux is a open source software, so you can freedom to use, freedom to distribute, freedom to change coded, freedom to redistribute your modified copy. I am trying my best in this course, and we are coming with next video as early as possible. And if you have any question, feel free to comment in comment section. Thanks.